Alafia. Aha. Orukomini Baba Marcus Shongodoyin Akinlana. Ati Moenjoko Pelu Oremi Okamfo Nana. Sula Janet Evans Ninsisi. Mofesoro Nipa. I want to speak to you about an awesome action-oriented event that we are sharing with you all coming up in Owerri, October 18th, 2020. That's ỌJỌ AIKU-SUNDAY at 11 a.m. CST. We are orchestrating what we call a healing Bèmbé for the world. During that week, it is my Ekuodun Shango. When I was initiated into the Egbe of Shango in the Shango priesthood, so to speak. So this is a real Bèmbé, and we're going to share with you some of the traditions that we do annually for the benefit of our families and for the entire community. This is action-oriented about work. We're going to carry you through with all the things that we're doing, including many of the behind-the-scenes actions from this culture and this life-saving perspective and activities.
Just like our grandmothers and grandfathers, when they were in trouble, when they needed help, when they needed to petition the ancestors, they went and did the work. So we are now doing the work live in front of everyone, because we want everyone to know about the healing power of what our collective ancestors can do. So we come together as two priests. We come together as New Orleanian priests. Although I'm not from here, I have been here 25 years. So this whole New Orleanian priesthood and understanding the magic that comes from this soil, from this land, it's important to understand it, and so that we are bringing you the spirit of paying homage to our elders from here, as well as paying homage to the Orisha. May we all be healed by this. Please support this event. It's going to be important to support it as well, because you're joining a sacred movement that has to do with healing and healing humanity. So you can support the event, and please tune in October 18th, Sunday, 11 a.m. Central Time, live from New Orleans.
And you can contribute to this work and help carry the load, because whether people contribute or join in or not, we're doing the work. Right. And this work is specifically going to be for all of we, what I like to call all of we,
yes,
to thrive and survive throughout this quarantine season, throughout these corona times, throughout the political times, throughout the racial unrest that is plaguing our communities. But we are not victims. We are not victims.
No.
Omo Duduwa niwao, omo Nide niwao, omo Zaria niwao, omo Queen Nzinga niwao, omo Marie Laveau niwao.
Ashe.
Uh-huh.
And Catherine Seals,
Mama Catherine Seals niwao.
Yes.
So we are doing this as a
Yes.
collective activity. Here's how you can contribute. Of course, you can donate. You can help carry the load financially.
Yes.
You can share. You can let everybody know. You can join in on the Bèmbé, and you can dance, because we're going to fire off the music. This woman here, this Okamfo, is an expert in the retrieval and the reclamation of Orisha, Oreen Loa, the sacred songs of the African gods. Join us.
Looking forward to it, fam. We look forward to seeing you October 18th, Sunday, 11 o'clock a.m. Central Time, live from New Orleans. We're going to see you soon.
Ominira, freedom, liberation, ILE ÄKØ, good health.